Alright, so I got back in the car. I just tested that Neewer CM14 Pro in the wind and it was terrible. I don't even think it's usable. So I'm just going handheld on my Tascam DR-05X. Without any microphones attached. So I don't know. That dead cat on it did nothing, I think, for the audio. So I'm gonna do a mix of the camera's onboard audio and the Neewer CM14, and we'll see what happens. But it's not great. It did not help me out at all with the wind. So here you go. Thanks for watching. Alright, so this is going to be a test of a microphone I got, a cardioid condenser. It is a Neewer CM14 Pro. Now I got this on one of the Amazon sales. It was Prime Day, or maybe even 2022 Black Friday. So I have it set up. It's a Rode Video Micro style microphone which mounts on top. I have the dead cat or muff on top. Decided to try it out today. I have a weird new setup I was going to try because I normally record external audio because the preamps on this Canon 7070 is not that great. I use it for backup if anything. So I decided to connect the new microphone straight to the Tascam DR-05X, my external audio, and I mounted it on top of the camera so it's all one unit. Here's a picture of it here. It's a little big, it's a little clunky, but I'm trying it out. So how does it sound? It is a windy day. I can't tell you how windy. There's no wind stop here and I don't know. So how does it sound? How's the background noise? I'm right in front of the camera, so I'm in right there. So the microphone is about 28 inches away. Okay, we'll say 30. So how does it sound? Let me know. I'm at a BART station, or if you're not from the Bay Area, that's our transportation systems, subway, whatever you want to call it. But it's Bay Area Rapid Transit. Alright, thanks for watching.